last of me. I've been wanting to say you need to change. Your life will pass you by if you look away. Darling, you know it's never too late. It's a perilous road and time. We'll be running for the rest of our lives. All is said and all is done. We'll rise up as champions. You were saved. Oh, you won't hear in your memory. Some things are never meant to be replaced. Your life will be defined by your legacy. You shouldn't have to seek to believe. It's a perilous road and it's time. We'll be fighting for the rest of our lives. All is said and all is done. We'll rise up as champions.
After working all day, we got these compartments done up. Tomorrow, got to do this center one. That sounds beautiful. We have the cowl of the boat motor primed and ready to go. So that's that. And I don't know if you can see it too well. We have limited light. But this seat was painted gray. It's an update after this day. We also cleaned the whole garage out, which took the morning. So, anyways, hey, have you got any messages?
Let's get it.
Change my ways through all the crying and lying you can't find sense to make your escape. Take my time, you're not going anywhere. You wouldn't leave just to save your life. Breathing in all this air that you've wasted. You're my life of deep despair. So unaware of who I am. So brace yourself. I am the nightmare awakening, crawling in your bed tonight. Pull the covers over your eyes, say goodnight. It's gonna hurt when I'm gone. I've always cared for you. It's hard to admit when I'm wrong, but you should know the truth. Disconnected, affected, I can't lie. Find myself just to stay awake. I've been told that I'm cold and I'm shameless. A heartache that won't go away. Catch your breath, things have changed for the best now. No distress when the lights go out.
Alright guys, so pretty much this is going to wrap up the video. This has been a long one. It's been a lot of progress. The paint job isn't perfect. That's okay though. I mean, if you see here, I don't know if the camera will pick it up good. You can see it's a little bit uneven, the line. Well, there was a huge hole there that I filled. And I've never done any type of fill work before or anything like that. But, I mean, it doesn't look bad. I gotta let this thing set up, and then I'm gonna do clear coat. Actually, I'm gonna wet sand, then clear coat. But I'm gonna let this set up all, like, pretty much overnight. Now, yeah, you can see, like, marks there, but if you can see, like, this little cutout area here, I'm actually gonna plasti dip that red. I'm gonna get that looking real good. Pretty much just kind of add a little bit of, like, a rubberized look to it. I'm gonna plasti dip this. I don't know if I'm gonna do the little, like, I think rivets or whatever they are, but I'm definitely considering doing around this edge here. So if I could do around this edge, that would be pretty cool. And just to recap out here, we tore the carpet up. We tried out this Flex Seal stuff, which is pretty sweet. We just kind of sprayed it in there, over there, and then in the channel down below. But we built this box, which is going to be, I mean, just really just more storage. May make it like a little cooler or something like that. But we got box number 1, box 2. Don't mind the swastika there. We pretty much made World War II in a sense. USA, Soviets, the swastika, and the Jewish. We were doing that to mark things, and we were talking about World War II, so we just kind of went with that. Don't mind that. But we're gonna be ordering carpet this week. We're gonna get a gray, like a gunmetal gray carpet, so we can start getting that going. We'll see what we can do with building this back. This back, we gotta frame it. We gotta make a deck here. Like, this is gonna be storage, that's gonna be storage, and then we gotta make a little seat thing to go across. We're gonna fit 3 seats here, and we're gonna have a seat on a pedestal up there. But pretty much we're gonna have lots of storage. We're not gonna have like rod storage to like tuck away, but that's okay. We're making do with what we have here. Our idea though, to help secure the rods on this, we're gonna cut 6 holes. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and pretty much you're gonna set the back end of the rod in, and there's gonna be like PVC pipe in there, and then it's just gonna kind of go up here, up towards the front, just kind of help keep it in. I'll put like a little like a strap to hold it down. But this is what I've done this whole weekend. You know, plus a couple other things. We cleaned out the garage some. It was really bad, but it's not too shabby now. But if you guys have any suggestions, let me know. That'd be helpful, you know. I'm just kind of the only one that's actually brainstorming on this thing, this project. It's just been kind of a lone project. Don't worry about this area here. This is going to be filled in with like silicone and around that. But we got a long ways to go, but after doing this weekend, it makes me feel real good. But anyways, enjoy the beautiful day wherever you guys are. It's been a beautiful weekend, absolutely fantastic. We got a lot of stuff done. So anyways, thanks for watching this video. There will be more whenever I get around to working on the boat. I'm just gonna keep trucking along. So anyways, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.